Hey everyone, this is Anna here. I just wanted to give you a quick outline of my upcoming 2 days hands-on workshop. This one in particular would be on sculpting these cute little creatures that I make, frogs, birds, and chameleon. This will be on a Saturday and Sunday. So the first day we'll make 2 projects which will have a frog and a bird. On the second day, it will be a chameleon, which is a little bit harder. So I always try to start with something easier on the first day. And then the second day will be a little harder. So it will take us all day making the chameleon, believe it or not, just because it has so many details and I can't wait to show you everything that goes into it. But I'm also giving you the pieces for you to concentrate mostly on the sculpting part of it. So I will be providing you with the pieces which will be in leather hard stage so that you learn, like for example, this one is one of my signature pieces that I make, and I will show you how to cut and alter to transform these into a monstera leaf. As you can see, it's all trimmed and it will be trimmed already for you. So all you need to do is alter and you will learn how to do that and maybe do some carving and then add a cute little frog like this one is a Amazon milk frog, or you have your choice of making also the red-eye tree frog, which is very popular. They are a little bit different, their bodies are a little bit different, so that's why you will have your choice. I will show you which one you would want to make, and I will show you how to make both. And the next piece will be a cup that I will provide you with, and then you will learn how to sculpt a cute little bird, or it could be a parrot or a toucan that you can attach, and I will show you all the attachments. I will show you all my tricks and tips for attaching things so they don't crack. This is very important to me because if your pieces like mine, they're completely functional, I don't want anything with cracks or that will break easily. Also, I concentrate into making things that are lightweight, like on this one. We'll also be talking about glaze choices and underglazes, or both. Which I use that quite a bit. I use both underglazes, like this one is all underglazes, because I want you to, once you're home and your piece is misfired, I want you to know what to do and how to paint them. So I'll be giving you some choices there. So we'll be talking about clay, different clay bodies that I use for sculpting. I will put a picture here for you to see my chameleon that will be making that on the second day. It's very cute. All my pieces are really popular with the frogs and the birds and the chameleon and lizards. I didn't know they were that popular until I started making them, and they would sell out really quick. So I will put a picture here for you to see, and hopefully by the time you all come, I'll have many pieces for you to see it in person and see the finished product. Another thing I wanted to show you real quick here, I will give you a list of materials to buy. They're very inexpensive. I don't want you to really spend a lot of money on expensive tools. So this set of wooden tools from Amazon, they were like $7. You're gonna need that. You're gonna need an X-Acto knife. Also one of these wire loop tools for carving. You're going to need one of these set of these silicone tip shaper tools, also very inexpensive from Amazon. Another thing that I use a lot is this wire tool for scoring and putting slip. I will have all that all set up for you, also the slip for you to use, and also a soft brush. Now if you don't have any of these, if you have it, you can bring it. If you don't have it, I do have extras here that you can borrow during the class, but these are very inexpensive. You're going to need that to try it at home. But again, you don't need to go out and buy the real expensive ones. This workshop is going to be a lot of fun. I do provide all the refreshments. We break for lunch midday and we go to my backyard and we can enjoy a little relaxing time just to decompress. If you live on a driving distance from here, you'll be able to take your pieces because they will be at a leather hard stage, and we can just wrap them very carefully. You can bring a box and some wrapping like bubble wrap or anything soft to wrap your pieces and take it with you. That's very doable. And again, if you're coming from out of state, I can certainly ship the pieces for you once it's fired. It might take a little while because I do keep my pieces wrapped in plastic for a while until they're completely bone dry before I bisque fire them. So that's very important. But I certainly can do that. You just pay me a small fee to ship them for you. So let's have fun, guys, and I hope to see you here.